How to use ChatGPT to call for. You can use ChatGPT to call for recipe ideas by asking for suggestions or recommendations for specific types of dishes or ingredients. Here's an example conversation. User: Hi ChatGPT, can you give me some recipe ideas for dinner tonight? ChatGPT: Of course. What type of cuisine are you in the mood for? User: I'm open to anything, but I have some chicken and vegetables in my fridge. ChatGPT: How about trying a stir fry? You can saute the chicken and vegetables with some soy sauce and ginger, and serve it over rice or noodles. User: That sounds great. Do you have any other ideas? ChatGPT: Another option is to roast the chicken and vegetables in the oven with some herbs and spices, and serve them with a side of quinoa or couscous. User: That sounds delicious too. Thanks for the suggestions. ChatGPT: You're welcome. Let me know if you need any more ideas. Here are some reputable sources to support my suggestions for the recipe ideas. For the stir-fry recipe idea, you can refer to the following sources: Easy Chicken Stir-Fry Recipe by All Recipes. Chicken and Vegetable Stir-Fry Recipe by Martha Stewart. Both of these recipes use similar ingredients and techniques, such as sautéing the chicken and vegetables with soy sauce and ginger. For the Roasted Chicken and Vegetables Recipe idea, you can refer to the following sources: Roasted Chicken and Vegetables Recipe by Food Network. Sheet Pan Chicken and Vegetables Recipe by Epicurious. These recipes use different types of vegetables and seasonings, but the basic technique of roasting the chicken and vegetables in the oven.